Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add music to BeReal. So let's get started. At first, let's get into the app. Now in the top right corner, we can see this profile icon over here. So let's tap on this and click on these three dots and click on music. Here we can see Spotify is already connected. If you log out, we need to reconnect it. So make sure you have connected this Spotify over here. And now we need to get back to Spotify. Now we need to play any song we want. Now go to BeReal app. Now here click the BeReal. Here, since the music is playing, the BeReal will be clicked with the music ongoing. So this is all. This is how we can add music to BeReal. Now we need to simply send it. So this is all. This is how we can add music to BeReal. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.